Today, the Dáil are raised with the Taoiseach last night's agreement between the United Kingdom and the European Union in relation to the Withdrawal Treaty on Brexit. I pointed out to the Taoiseach that I felt it did represent some movement. There was some change from the December position in a number of aspects, particularly in that it did give the British government some wriggle room to withdraw from the Withdrawal Treaty into the future, albeit through a convoluted, long legal journey. But more importantly, I raised the point that it's important to seek agreement on all sides to avoid a no deal Brexit. And I pointed out again that a no deal Brexit is really devastating for the United Kingdom and for Ireland, for livelihoods, for jobs, and particularly for the agri-food industry. And I pointed out that the beef trade right now, the beef sector, is facing an existential crisis, and that a no deal Brexit would wipe it out completely. So it is important that all minds are focused on avoiding a no deal Brexit. And I put it to the Taoiseach that in the event of the vote being negative in Westminster this evening, what was the next stage? What was the next step for government? And I sought agreement from him that a no deal must be avoided, but also that an extension of time should be granted to the UK to facilitate further reflection. In the overall context, the Withdrawal Treaty is essentially the end of the beginning. A lot of substantive work remains to be done on a full deal between the UK and the European Union, which would govern the trading relationship between the UK and Ireland, and of course the avoidance of a hard border north and south, and the maintenance of the Good Friday Agreement. I believe the British government are committed to supporting the Good Friday Agreement and indeed the avoidance of a hard border. There's a lot of difficult times still ahead, it seems, but I think we must keep our focus on the big picture and protecting the livelihoods of people on this island.